Bitcoin's recent golden cross on the daily chart may have driven bullish enthusiasm for the leading crypto to reach a tipping point. With the upcoming halving, many investors are buying up sub 10k BX in preparation of the supply side shock. Golden cross has traders seeing visions of green candles after May, when Bitcoin's upcoming halving takes place. The leading cryptocurrency will have an inflation rate of 1.8%, less than that of gold and US dollars. This will only increase the asset as store of value narrative, as it truly becomes a better store of value than any other safe haven asset. The halving is when miners receive half the scheduled block reward they currently receive for validating transactions in the Bitcoin network. Halvings were designed by Satoshi to create scarcity of existing Bitcoin supply to increase price, bootstrap new users, and create a positive feedback loop increasing Bitcoin adoption. They take place every blocks or roughly 4 years. Right before the last halving, we saw a similar golden cross chart formation on the BX/US chart, which led to a 218% increase in price as Bitcoin rose to its all-time high. Traders have not forgotten this lesson, and seem to be positioning themselves in anticipation. As of writing, Bitcoin is trading at $, after dipping as low as $, over the weekend. As the golden cross confirmed on the chart today, we saw volume for longs increase, driving price back above the psychologically important $, price level. Bitcoin still may not be in a full-fledged bull market, but investor sentiment is currently pushing the pendulum in that direction. We may see a bullish run-up coming into the halving, then see a retracement either immediately before or after the event. Bitcoin und. You can read full post on CryptoFans News, link available in text below.